Mr. Samuel, so if we want to live long like you, what should we do?
Well, you have to take the best care of it.
So still do your machine work and so on. The fit man.
But other one is
Yes.
we went to the doctor in Green Island clinic, and the doctor saw me and said to me, Mr. Samuels, your body is healthy right through. The first blood test, number 1. The second blood test, number 1. Healthy right through. Very healthy right through.
The parish of Hanover in Jamaica, especially the areas within the Dolphin Head mountain range, is well known for its long livers and particularly its supercentenarians. Meet Uton Samuels, a 109-year-old who hails from Mount Campbell near Chambers Pen in Hanover and who, from all indications, is on his way to becoming Jamaica's next supercentenarian. Mr. Samuels was born June 12, 1914. Now a resident of Industry Cove, Mr. Samuels is among a rare population of Jamaicans who reach 100 years or more and who experience delays in aging-related diseases and mortality. Persons like Mr. Samuels, scientists say, have protective factors which enable them to recover from or ward off diseases, which suggests their immune systems remain functional into extreme old age. With his youthful looks and energy, Uton Samuels could easily pass for someone in his 70s. Mr. Samuel's eyes are still sharp. He has never worn glasses. Your eyesight, you can see good?
Sure, man.
Okay. You never wear glasses from your one?
No.
Okay. So you see me good?
Sure, man.
Wow. He is able to walk around unassisted, albeit with the aid of a walking stick. Mr. Samuels uses his cutlass to cut grass, a job he enjoys doing to this day. Adored by his many grandchildren and community members, Uton Samuels is a joy to listen to.
With Mr. Uton Samuels, and Mr. Samuels is yes. Yes, so we get it right? Uton Samuels, UTON. And you're celebrating you've just celebrated how many years? How many years you just celebrated?
How many years?
Yes.
We live here.
No, how many years you just celebrated? 100 and how many?
9.
What, you're 109 years old? Okay, alright. So I want you to tell me a bit about yourself. So you are from Mount Peace in Hanover?
I'm born at Mount Campbell and grew at Mount Peace.
Oh, okay, up in the hills?
That's good.
Okay, alright.
Grandpa, tell the lady the last time the doctor, when it's about the health? Your health?
The last time I went to the doctor.
Yeah, when it's about the health?
But the
Your health, when I lose the doctor, when it's about the health?
but the
About your health, the sickness.
the health.
Yeah, you're telling me.
Oh,
Yeah,
can tell you.
yeah, yeah.
That we went to the doctor in Green Island clinic, and the doctor saw me and said to me, Mr. Samuels, your body is healthy right through. The only thing in your body is only pain. I'm going to send it to Lucy to take a blood test for me. I said, thank you, Doc. When I had to go, he said, either Monday or Tuesday. Monday, they find myself out of that little shelter and go down, catch the driver and go to Lucy. Then we go to Lucy, not in hands. I don't see on the earth. I'm waiting and waiting to tell people that come in little. And I take that blood test again. And it go to the chemist, and from the chemist back to the doctor, number 1. The first blood test, number 1. The second blood test, number 1. Healthy right through. Very healthy right through.
Mr. Samuel, so if we want to live long like you, what should we do?
Well, You have to take the best care of your body.
Yes. What, and how you take the best care of your body? How you do that? What we do?
You can't follow because you have been doing.
Yes.
The mind, everybody is different.
Yes.
And yours. If you care yourself, you will live long.
Yes.
Some people have the money they in pocket.
Yes.
And in bed at night they put you and buy and phone at you. And you can see.
They mean. They mean to themselves.
So, you can't stand up straight in the car though.
And what else? What else?
Can't stand in the car.
Yes. What do you love to eat? What do you eat most? What do you love to eat? What kind of food? What's your favorite meals? You eat fish, you eat chicken, you eat pork, are those things? Tell me what you eat. What you love to eat?
Well, that's just how we could have managed it. So, if you cannot manage it, you have to fear all the time.
You eat a lot of fruits?
Good?
Do you eat a lot of fruits?
Sure.
Tell me some of the fruits that you love to eat.
Bloody,
Tell me some of the fruits that you love to eat.
the plant up there,
No, what you love to eat. Fruits that you like to eat.
coconut tree, pear tree, mango tree, jupel tree. I would have to go further. So what is what I can't tell you that.
So you are 109. What do you think has kept you living for so long? Are you healthy the same way as you just told me?
Well, as far as I look at it and find out to other,
Yes.
you come here by Jehovah power. Put here. And if Jehovah put you here to live certain times, is that amount of time you're going to live.
Yes.
Some born before you and dead before you.
Yes.
And you should still and the program.
So tell me something now. So how you look so young? Tell me how you come to look so young.
I care. Take care of yourself.
So tell us what you do to take care of
Take care of
yourself.
yourself.
So what you do to take care of yourself?
You know, God is in a right.
Okay. So in order to live long, you also have to keep good friends who are not doing bad things.
That's good.
Okay.
You're not to judge nobody.
They mix up. They tell about people business about us.
Exactly, satisfy what you have. You were a little boy growing up. What kind of games? You used to play games and so on? Like cricket or so?
Marble. Never play cricket. Just marble.
Only marble?
Never play.
Never play football?
No, not at all.
Always marble?
You got your ball play, but you never join that. Good. You never join it. So, I will say that what I should.
Okay. So you were married. How many children you had or have? Count them. Eight. How many girls? How many girls and how many boys?
5 boys and 3.
Okay. How many grandchildren?
Is one word against me or whatever. The guy against me.
The one against you. Make him come around here.
That's good.
Come show your face. This one you're talking. The 5-star general you're talking. Okay, him. So he's one of them. How many more grandchildren?
I think it's around 12 grandchildren.
Okay, and great grandchildren?
Yeah.
How many grandchildren? 6 great grandchildren. Any great?
Great.
Yeah, man.
And great? So hold on. So great.
Yes, man.
Sort of great. Sorry,
Yeah, carry on. See, man.
Really?
Yes, man.
How old is the youngest great?
The youngest one now is almost 2 years old.
Okay.
That's my daughter.
Oh, okay. So Mr. Samuels, my grandmother, she lived to 102. Her name was Ina Gardner. Ina Gardner. She lived to 102.
Oh,
Nice.
you know what? Kali niya nga again.
Ina Gardner.
Ina.
Yes.
You know what? Ina. You do that one piece.
Okay. What church did you attend?
Me,
Yes.
Baptist Church.
Okay.
Baptist Church at Monty.
Yes.
Baptist Church at Binayran.
Okay. So you still go to church on Sundays?
Kasi the sickness that we know, the sickness and it's poor me down. Sabi na sa nagsabi ng lang sickness.
Okay. Okay.
Yung sorry pala sabi na.
Okay. So you had brothers and sisters, you say?
Two sisters.
Okay.
One little sister.
How old is she?
I would not know if I didn't yet. I don't think I did. They are a woman, not
Okay. So you don't know if you're not sure whether there are 100.
I didn't bear that. Then I can set the
Okay.
they bear that Frankinson, heard that they have nobody to take care of. Then come and come and take it, can't go up with them.
Okay. So how long since you've been living in cousin school? Well, here's industry school. How long since you've been living in industry school?
Well, I'm living there.
Here in industry school.
20 years sister.
Yes.
In the time living
Okay. Long time, more than 50 years. So Mr. Samuels, so when last you go up to Mount Peace area?
Mount Peace.
Yes.
It's a good time because your father died. He's sick. He couldn't attend funeral and nothing. He passed me.
So you know, your father died at what age?
My father?
Yes.
Do what?
What age did he die?
My father is supposed to. When a young man, my father died.
Oh, you don't quite remember. You have anybody else in your family who has lived to over 100? You have anybody else? Who?
Your family?
I'm away from you, yes. And you alone live to 100 in your family? Yes. You alone live to 100?
Sure.
Okay. So what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Favorite food?
Yes.
Pear.
You know pear, so pear season, it's about 2 months time. Okay. Yes. So we can come to some during pear season, we can come with pear.
Banana.
Okay, you plant banana? You plant banana?
I think that.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. What was your wife's name? What was your wife's name?
What's her name?
Yeah, what was her name?
Miss Tiny.
Miss Tiny. And you were married for how many years? How many years? She died in her 70s. I understand she died in her 70s? Yes. Yes. Oh, okay.
I can't tell you about that. That one.
Yes.
Wonderful. He obeyed by me, and I obeyed by him. I'm not working my money and give it to no other woman outside it. No, I will never do that.
You used to have a farm. You're a farmer.
Sure.
Tell us about that.
I sure that
Yes, tell us about that.
I get this land when I stay running by the government.
Yes.
And I've done 3 acres sugar cane.
Yes.
And the German live over the town. Then come to how them pay to pay the money.
Yes.
When you pay the money, the first money, then put you further up, free each amount as clear and then on whatever you did before.
Okay. So you used to sell to Froome Sugar Factory, that's where you used to sell your...
Yes, gold, back. The cane, the man who went through the truck factory.
Yes.
Somebody tell him that you are not to get no cane from your farmer, let the farmer then try to throw to him.
Oh. So what you had to do, you had to take the...
And he mash up.
Oh, how? Why? Because the farmers couldn't afford to take the cane to Froome themselves?
Yes, the farmer did selling but he couldn't work out.
Oh, they couldn't afford to transport the cane. Oh, okay. So for how many years you had that sugar farm, sugarcane farm? How many years you had it for?
To the time when you take that land from the government,
Yes.
we know about 70 years here.
Oh, yeah, the first.
And we leave that now and start plant food,
Yes.
plant coconut tree,
We're in the same Spring Valley?
plant pear tree,
Yes.
and all them something funny land.
Oh, in Spring Valley?
That's good, that's
Okay.
good. That's good.
So Mr. Samuels, so you had the sugar farm sugarcane farm for 3.5 years. But before that, what did you used to do? What kind of work you used to do before you started the farm? Yes. Yes.
On the earth, on the earth.
Yes.
You try to
Yes.
go right up to the bottom of it.
Yes.
The seed and sit on fire. With the machine.
Yes.
2 weeks about
Okay.
clean it and just straight up.
Okay. So still do your machete work and so on. The fit man.
But father was a
Yes.
so when everybody stupid enough, we bet you say, we cannot cut 3 acres
Yes.
and Alan give to me. And you can't take 2 weeks in the distribution for doing it.
Okay. So what kind of work you used to do when you were younger?
We buy the work from the farmer, we plant them food, dig them hill, clean grass, lap tree for them, and the woman.
Okay. So you worked on farms.
I don't know if you get in here. You're about now here.
Yes, ma'am, we know that.
When you go down, on the other side.
Yes.
I want Papa to tell them, we never that something.
Yes.
We did belong to one day, but we're misleading.
Yes.
Misleading. So you're killing for him die.
Yes.
And the daughter said, Mr. Yeri.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Yeri said to me, no, you can't do what they did, but I will say, you're Miss Connie.
Yes.
I want to stop by Russia.
Yes.
He said, Miss Connie, he said, yes, Mr. Yeri. He said, I'll come and contact you. You come out and care, and you go. He said, I want a person up the yard to steer you. I don't know who to call.
Yes.
Miss Connie point me out to me, say, if you want anyone up at the yard to steer you, call Mr. Samuels.
Yes.
And we go up to that house and say, God, not heaven, all the money come from you, not to steer to me. You are going to stand yourself in this world. I said, you don't want to do.
You're a little boy?
Sure.
Growing up, which school do you attend? Which school did you attend?
My father never sent me to school. I'm not sure. He never sent me there.
Okay, he didn't send you to school at all. So where was your mommy?
In my mother.
Oh, so why did your daddy not send you to school?
This doctor,
Don't care. Yes.
he take up a woman and marry to that woman.
Yes.
He take up that woman with that child is not peace.
Yes.
And I can tell you, the man who said a little boy, go to movie sex school.
Yes.
And we sit down and school. And at the end of it, we never yet received.
Okay.
And I know what is here.
Okay. So, tell me about your mother.
Your mother?
Yes.
One evening,
Yes.
the mother don't have nothing to give us to eat. He said, why you think of your father go find out that you have anything to give you?
Yes.
And they go over there. Johnson and said, look at the house over there.
Yes.
And they go over and he said, please hold on. He said, come, we're going to the yard. When we go to the yard, he said, my mother, he said, good evening, sir. I said, good evening. He said, my mother said, you can tell that he never have nothing to give you tonight. So who's going to see what you can do for us? He said, they are not there, you know. But leave me, we're going to the house. And he come out, she called the head there. To get this, he come out of the house with a pound of cornmeal. And he give me 1 and 2 pants and a pound of cornmeal.
Yes.
And then I leave the house like this.
Yes.
And reach down the foot. Back on me. Give me the cabbage. The fry.
Who said that?
The wife.
Oh, the wife.
Dodge him and come take pan into and come back on me. Give me a little cabbage. The job. Everything that's out.
Oh, she didn't want to go the cornmeal from you?
Everything that's out.
Yeah, but the cornmeal you come from?
Everything that's out, man. They answer upon. And I come down.
Oh, okay.
I have to go to bed. Dinner late.
Okay.
Work on property, but a card with force. Card with force in card. What did they just run for?
Okay.
Buy milk for me. And milk really, cow's milk.
Really?
Your mother milk.
Okay. So
You don't get anything worse like for your brother.
okay.
No.
You have to stop now, you have to stop. You have to put that shoe on. Let's stop now. You have shoe on. You say, if you don't stop now, you have to stop. Yeah. You're going to show him, say, you're still strong. You understand? You're going to show him, say, you're still strong and fit. You understand? Yeah.
Me don't like your first without it.
I'm done.
This is a nice laptop.